Did you know that the difference between a delicious meal and a disaster comes down to science? Let's dive into the mind-blowing science of cooking. First up, ever wondered why food turns golden brown and develops that irresistible, mouth-watering aroma and tastes so much better with a rich, complex flavor profile that dances on your taste buds? It's thanks to something called the Maillard reaction. This fascinating chemical process is a cornerstone of culinary science. When heat meets amino acids and sugars, it creates hundreds of new flavor compounds. These compounds are responsible for the deliciously complex flavors and aromas we love. So that mouth-watering sear, that's chemistry in action, transforming simple ingredients into a gourmet experience. Now, how about turning oil and water into magic? Emulsification is the secret behind creamy sauces. Add a little mustard or egg yolk, and suddenly two things that hate each other, oil and water, come together in perfect harmony. Did you know even boiling water has science behind it? It's not just about turning on the stove and waiting. There's a fascinating process happening right before your eyes. At 212 degrees Fahrenheit, water molecules start moving so fast they break free as steam. This transformation from liquid to gas is a dance of energy and motion. It's what cooks your pasta perfectly or gives you that flawless, soft-boiled egg. The heat ensures that your food is cooked evenly and thoroughly, making every bite delicious. So, next time you're boiling, remember, you're actually controlling molecular energy. By adjusting the heat, you're orchestrating a symphony of molecules, ensuring your meal turns out just right. And spices, they're not just for flavor. They trigger our senses. Capsaicin in chili peppers causes a tingling heat, but did you know that's technically your body thinking it's on fire? Spices aren't just food, they're an experience. So the next time you cook, remember you're not just making food. You're a scientist at work. Every ingredient you add, every technique you use is an experiment in flavor and texture. What's your favorite food fact? Did you know that the Maillard reaction is what gives browned food its distinctive flavor? Drop it in the comments below and let's start a conversation about the wonders of cooking. And don't forget to share this with a friend who loves to cook. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Let's cook up more science together and make every meal an adventure in culinary creativity.